These are my cribs. It's mum. They're babies on the terracotta pot here. It's a fry. Swimming around, doing their own thing. Dad somewhere. There he is. Right. So you got to pick him up. Yeah. Spit him out. Yeah, there we go. Alright, I've got a divider in my tank. The kribs think that the fish are trying to get in, eat the babies. Well, they are trying to, but they can't. So they're very, very protective parents. They've been here for about an hour, trying to fight off predators. Their babies are just hanging out. If the parents think they're in danger, they'll just pick them up in their mouth and relocate them. They actually did that with the eggs, moved the eggs. And I thought she ate them, and then next thing, about a week later, we had free swimming fry. It's great. She had about 35, there's only about 25 now. I don't know if Dad got hungry maybe. But he seems very protective, so I'm not quite sure. It's the first time I bred them, so. But she seems to be colouring up again, so she's probably ready to breed again shortly. I'm going to lay off the live food. So I think she thinks it's time to breed again. Alright, here's Dad. Ready? Get this one in his mouth. Oh. They're very, very good parents. They're all going crazy. Usually they all swim together, hang out. Mum has a turn, Dad takes the kids, and Mum takes the kids. It's pretty cute actually. It's very protective. But yeah, that's my cribs. Pretty cute, eh? See if Dad does it again. I might take him in the cave. Beautiful fish. Stunning fish. Love them. Here's my other fish anyway. While you're here. Guppies, blind cavefish, platies. Boring. Neons. Bolivian butterfly. Some other fish that, I don't know, he had a spine defect, so I just bought him because I felt sorry for him. In the back there, there's a couple of them somewhere. I don't really know what they are. I felt sorry for him. There's another one, spine defect. Oh no, that's a Bolivian. No, that's Bolivian butterfly. These some little babies I had recently. Tiny, tiny little babies. Little babies. Tiny babies. Snails. And that's it. There's back to my cribs. Saw some Danios just about lay eggs everywhere in here. All pregnant. Yeah. All my guppies are pregnant. Back to Mum and Dad. They're just hanging out. There's all the babies up against the divider. Dad won't like that for very long. He'll get a bit upset with that. All the babies, Mum's got them. Good old Mum. Yeah, spit them back out. That's the way. There you go. Did you see that one? That was pretty cool. I think it happened at the start of the video as well, actually. So he's been doing this for a while, actually. Mum and Dad both got one in their mouth now. There's Dad. Cute little fish, actually. Colour up really nice when they're ready to breed. Alright, they're obviously taking them around the back of the cave. They're a bit worried. Haven't worked out yet that the fish can't actually get through the divider. I'll work it out. So the babies are going around the back of the cave now. Mum and Dad have told them where to go. And they've moved over there. See them just under the cave there? There they are. With their mama and their dad. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.